It is March 10th, 2025, and I received this package. I ordered a Yuzu plant, supposedly about 1 to 2 feet tall. Big, long package there. And they're quite expensive, and they're not supposed to live in a hot environment like that, but I wanted to experiment with the oil pot, so here we are. And I'm gonna unpack this and plant it and see what happens in the next few weeks. Okay, here's the plant. It's a nice tall plant. I'm gonna say it's at least 3 feet tall. And for the price that I got for, if it's a real Yuzu, it's a bargain. So I put the Yuzu plant in a 15-gallon container right next to my Eureka lemon. I'm going to try to keep it in a shady spot all summer and see what happens. I'm gonna water it now. Alrighty, my son's got his axolotl in front. There's the tree. Give it some water, mulch. Keep our fingers crossed. Okay, this is the next day. It's windy a little bit, and the leaves are kind of beginning to unfurl. Take a look, compare it to my Meyer lemon, and you can see the trunk, the difference in the trunk between that and this. And all the way up. It is July 11th, 2025, and a quick update on the Yuzu tree, and you can see how tall it's gotten. Compare it with the lemon tree next to it. Still got some new growth going. Once it gets really hot, near about 1 o'clock, some of these leaves start going a little droopy. But once the shade kicks in, then it livens up again. And it's amazing about the citrus that it creates leaves to suit the environment. So hopefully this Yuzu will thrive here, even though it's used to cooler summers.